Welcome to my container masterclass, where I'm taking the mystery out of creating your most colorful window box, hanging basket or patio pot. You have a large range of containers to choose from terracotta through to plastic and even wooden. In terms of terracotta, always try to choose the largest container that you can lift. By using terracotta, they hold on to the moisture a lot better than plastic, so you need to water them less during the summer months. During the winter, be aware of frost, which can occasionally crack the sides of your terracotta container. You can opt for the traditional terracotta or a glazed terracotta, but the most important thing for any container is drainage, whether that's a layer of gravel at the base or making sure you buy a container that has a hole. Or you may choose plastic containers. Now these are a little bit more lightweight, so easier to move around once you've got compost inside. However, they will dry out a little bit more quickly during the hot summer months.